Welcome. This is a 15-minute gentle yoga practice to help you sleep better at night or to use to unwind after a long day. Let's get started. Come to your knees. Tuck the toes. This may feel intense, so feel free to lean forward, taking some of that weight off the heels. In time, you'll get there. No rush. Untuck the toes. Walk your hands forward, forehead to the mat for child's pose. Drawing the breath into the belly, start to expand the belly and the low back with your inhales, letting your waistband get a little tighter here. Softening the body with your exhales. Even if it's just for a moment, enjoy that moment, be present, and acknowledge where you begin to hold tension. And again, begin to soften the body with each exhale, sighing out that tension. Rest here or take the knees wide for a wide leg child's pose. Walking the hands forward, forehead to the mat. Allow the chest to melt towards the mat. Relaxing the upper back and shoulders. Observing the body, notice if you're starting to pull up in the chest or shoulders. Sigh out any of that tension with each exhale. Soften the body, shoulders, neck and upper back. On an inhale, come to table. Knees under hips, take the hands a little further up from the shoulders. Inhale, drop the belly, gaze up for cow. Exhale, round through the spine for cat. Move with your breath at your own pace. Back to center, dropping the right elbow, taking a side stretch. Opposite side, bending that left elbow. Nice gentle movement. Really connect with the body here. Continuing at your own pace. When you're ready, cross the ankles and come to your back. Give yourself a nice hug, drawing the knees to chest. Good squeeze here. You can never give yourself too many hugs. Release. Keeping the knees together, begin drawing a big circle with the knees. You might start to move on your mat here, completely normal. Opposite side. When you're ready, feet to the mat, drop the knees open, bottoms of the feet to touch. Option to place your right hand on your belly, left hand on your heart. Feel free to place some blocks or pillows under the knees for extra support. Begin drawing the breath into the belly. Observe how the belly rises and lowers with each breath. Notice if you are lifting in the lumbar spine. Take an inhale, drawing the breath into the chest. Exhale, soften the neck, upper back. Allow the ribs to fall here, allowing the lumbar spine to find its neutral position. Check in with the outer hips, the groin, the feet. Notice if you're clenching or holding tension in these areas. Take an inhale. Full exhale, sigh out that tension, allowing the knees to become heavy. Again, even if it's just for a moment, be present in that moment. Allow the body to fully surrender here. Next, inhale, slowly draw the knees back to center. Take the knees side to side. When you're ready, stack the knees to the left side, elbows in line with the shoulders for a supine twist. Don't be shy to throw some pillows under the knees or right shoulder for some support. Really listen to the body here. Reconnect with the breath, utilizing your exhales to soften the body, checking in with the shoulders, maybe even the back of the neck. Notice if you're pulling the chin up towards the sky. Just be relaxed here. Checking in with the upper back, relaxing the ribs, checking in with the outer hip, and the feet. I know it's so easy for us to want to pull out of these awkward postures. But even if we're just relaxed for that one moment, it is a moment towards growth. So enjoy the journey. Next, inhale, release. Take the knees to the left. Be present here. Observe the body. Know that the breath is here to help. Next, inhale, knees to center. Take the knees side to side. Take your time. Again, really connect with the body. Take your time. Rock the knees as long as you'd like. Take the feet to the bottom of the mat. Hands to your sides. Palms facing up and open. Ready to give and receive love and light, not only to the earth and to the people around us, the people we love, but to yourself as well. Give yourself this one moment out of your day to be fully present in relaxation. No stretching, no flexing, no engaging, no doing, just being here now. Begin to observe the body. Notice if there are any sensations in the body. No reacting, just noticing, observing them. Maybe you feel clicks and ticks, tingling, numbness, or maybe nothing at all, completely fine. This is just the body surrendering to relaxation. Take a moment just to notice if you're tensing up anywhere. With each exhale, begin to sigh out that tension, working through the whole body, from the crown of the head, the jaw, ribs, feet. Really take your time here. option to remain here as long as you'd like, or begin to wake up the body, wiggling the fingers and toes, rocking the head side to side. Maybe bend the knees, take the knees side to side. When you're ready, roll to your right. Take a moment here, smile. Give gratitude to yourself for showing up today. Slowly come to seated. Inhale, hands up overhead, grabbing all that space. Exhale, heart center. Inhale again, grabbing all that space, all that air, bring it into heart center. One more time. Inhale, overhead. Exhale, take it to heart center. Thank you for joining. Namaste.